GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. This is the bell notification. Okay, subscribe, like, and click the bell. All these three options are for you. Tap them, click them, do whatever it takes. And then below the video, you will have these links. It says join free Telegram channel. Again, click on this link and then connect with my Telegram. It's a free thing. Okay, free channel. Go and join for free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers here and sign up with these brokers because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account because I need the data. Data means that how many trades do you lose or win from my signals. So it has to be separate. Okay, so join these brokers as well. Now coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have broken all the previous highs. So nothing to see here. We took a pullback then. We went up massively this week. We started with the 3400 and now we are at 3660. So 260 pips already in 3 days. Anyways, let's come back to daily. We are in the strong uptrend. Now in daily, we have broken all the previous highs. So there's nothing look back. There's no previous high which has to be broken now. So we have to wait for a new high to be created. So that's a trick here. Your entry is supposed to come from 4 hour. In 4 hour, we broke above the EMA. Then we did not take a pullback. Hardly we took a pullback of maybe 15%. Okay, from here till here, maybe 10% pullback, and then we had a long blue candle, and then now we are going up. Okay, so our entry should have been here. Okay, this was your entry candle in 4 hour, and if you enter here, your take profit should be 3720. Nobody will tell you that. Okay, right now we are at 3660. I'm telling you, your take profit is around 1.3720. Suck it up, like it, subscribe, do whatever you want. Okay, if you don't do it, it's your fault. It's your loss, not mine. Tell me one YouTube channel on the internet or on YouTube. Okay, YouTube channel has to be on YouTube. Tell me one channel which tells you, okay, this candle is your entry and your take profit is XYZ. I'm telling you, your take profit in this GBPUSD will be 1.3720. Sniper take profit. Okay, if you enter along here, exit at 1.3720. Nobody will tell you not for free. Okay, and then in Euro USD, I have told you the same thing, that when should you enter, when should you exit out. So go and watch my Euro USD analysis as well. If you don't subscribe, if you don't like, it's your loss. I don't care. Okay, so subscribe, like, join Telegram, join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.